And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom buttons in Zoho CRM. Custom buttons let you trigger powerful actions right from a record, so your team can automate repetitive tasks with a single click. We'll walk through creating one for the contacts module and assigning it to the right users. Start on your Zoho CRM home screen and click the settings icon in the top corner to open the setup area. From there, go to modules and fields, where you manage how each module looks and behaves. Open the contacts module so we can place the button where your team works every day. Inside contacts, switch to the buttons section. This is where all existing buttons live and where you can add new ones. Click. Create new button to begin. Give your button a clear, action-oriented name so users immediately understand what it does. Names like send welcome email or create support. Ticket work well and make the button easy to find later on. Next, define what the button should do. Choose the option to run a function. This connects the button to a back-end action, often a deluge function, that can update records, call an integration, or perform business logic. Decide where the button appears. Under Select Page, choose in Record so it shows inside the contact record itself. For Select Position, pick Detail, which places the button on the record's detail view, right where users review information and take action. In the Configured Function area, click Choose. You can browse available functions. For example, open the gallery to explore templates or pre-built functions as a starting point. When you've identified the right function, click Configure to review any required inputs or mappings. Click Save to attach the function to the button. If the function needs parameters, provide them now, such as an account ID or a related field. When possible, map these inputs to fields on the record rather than hard-coding values, and avoid entering any sensitive data directly. After you supply the required values, click Save again to confirm. Decide who should see and use the button. Under Select Profile, choose Administrator or the appropriate profile for your rollout. This keeps visibility aligned with your security model and helps you pilot the feature before a wider release. Finally, click Save to create the button. That's it. Open a contact record to see your new button in action. If it doesn't appear, refresh your browser, verify you're viewing the detail page, and double-check profile permissions and function configuration. With this setup, your team can now run consistent, reliable actions with a single click.